All right, well, we have this new circle class, but how do we make circle objects? So let's go back over here and produce some circle objects. So I'm going to delete all this stuff now because we've duplicated it in the class. So it would be silly to kind of maintain all this extra code. All right, background. And now this is the main function of this code is just to generate the window. Oops. I forgot to update this in the circle class itself. So maybe you caught that and I didn't catch that. All right, so now if I run this code right now, it does what it should do. It generates this window, it draws a black background. Well, let's make a circle bounce around. So circle, and I'll just call it C, and we'll just say we need one up here, and then in the setup method we'll make a new one, C equals, and to make a new object you have to use the new keyword, new circle, and then open and close parentheses. Now what this does, this line of code, is it's just like calling a function, just like ellipse or rect or stroke or fill or whatever, but it calls a function from the circle class's methods, and in this case it calls the constructor method, which builds a new circle object with these parameters. So this is our circle object now, and we can already draw our circle object, c.display, and it'll appear on screen now. Cool. Well, it's not moving yet though, and why isn't it moving yet? I want you to think about that. Pause and figure it out, see if you can make it move. Alright, well, we are only using, I'm going to continue now, we're only using the display method in the circle class. We're not using its update method, which changes its position and changes some parameters, or, checks the wall collisions. So, before I display it, I'm going to say c.update. And now our circle should actually bounce around our window. Cool. Well, that's neat, but in the next videos I'm going to show you how you can build lots of circle objects and get them all bouncing around all at once very easily now that we have this recipe or this blueprint that we can make use of. And then we're going to change it and update it and play around with it a little bit.